So friends, now I'm going to show you how to change the diffuser on a Pentair jet. You can see these are normally 5 inches across. This particular one has got this round back on it. And you can see that that's a brand new one. Different. Actually, these are the same version. These are spinners like that. So we're going to replace this diffuser. And what will happen is these will get, this was actually not that bad, but they'll get so bad this part will break off in order to no longer stay in the tub. So all you do is take a flat screwdriver and you just kind of dig up under these edges right here. A small flat, I should say. Kind of important. A big flat is not going to work because these things are kind of tight. And if the diffuser's bad, you won't have to really fight to get it off. They'll be so bad they'll just come off if you put a little bit of pressure on them. Because these are tucked up in there, they're not quite as easy. And don't do that and stick a screwdriver in your hand. Done that before, of course. Let's go easy. Alright, so now we're going to release one more. Just digging under the edge of it. There she is. Alright. So now if you'll notice, this particular one has bearings in here, and these bearings are bad, by the way. This particular one, the bearing is bad. I'm just doing this to show you how to switch this over. Luckily, you maybe, if you're lucky, you won't have one of these that you have a bad bearing issue in. You'll have it where it's just a... So this one does actually have a bad bearing in it, but all I'm going to do is take that and slip it back inside here. Push it back down in there like that. Then I'm going to take the jet, and you see that there's a little spot right there. There's a jut here and a jut there. You make those together on one side. Put down pressure on it, and it snaps together just that easy. And that's all you do when you get it in. Now these are not quite as tough as the waterways as far as putting them together or pulling them apart. And then you can take a flat screwdriver and kind of bop them like that to get the locks all the way in, and that right there will do it. So it's just that simple to replace this diffuser. And these are actually a little bit easier, but it's still not going to solve this issue with the spinner. It's not going to spin. But if you're trying to save some money, even though it did spin at one time, it's still going to act as a straight jet, even if the bearings are bad. Now, if it's a straight jet, you can still replace this because it doesn't need to spin. You'll just transfer the parts over like we talked about. Now, one more thing. So if you go below, and if you'll click the link below, it will take you to where these diffusers are if you're watching just the how to replace diffuser on a Pentair jet. If you're watching the entire series, it will take you to 5-inch jets, because this is a 5-inch jet face. Friends, if you just watched the video about how to replace this diffuser, click the link below. It will take you to these diffusers on my website. I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. I'm the spa guy. Bye today.